talk about getting a student's attention in school, these small, easy-to-fly drones are an ideal tool for introducing students to the fundamentals of STEM, a fun way to help children develop problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Women and Drones is dedicated to drone education, and we have multiple ways to help you, teachers, get comfortable enough to introduce this technology at your school. We've partnered with SheMaps, an Australian company that specializes in helping educators use drones in classrooms. SheMaps has been adapted to U.S. education standards. This online professional development course for teachers will give you everything you need to bring drones into your classroom. You'll learn flight skills, get lesson plans, ideas for class activities, step-by-step instructions for equipment purchase and setup, all with the benefits of live online support. You'll get your questions answered and ideas broadened by the course creator. With the SheMaps Professional Development course, you and your students can move on to coding and mapping with drones and who knows what else in no time. Women and Drones also has books for introducing younger students to drones. Fun with Drones is an activity book that includes coloring pages and word puzzles full of drone vocabulary as well as safe flying concepts. Our Drone Girls series is available in English and Spanish and is loved by girls and boys for the fun drone flying characters named Lindsay and Erica, who find themselves on all kinds of adventures. Yes, including whale snot, a lesson on how scientists use drones to help whales. Another option for kids to learn about drones in your school is by purchasing the Kids with Drones Computer Flight Simulator. It's compatible with Windows or Macintosh computers, and when paired with the mobile app for iOS or Android, students can use phones or tablets to control the drones in the simulator. Kids with Drones allows the user to pick the pilot and the flight path, another fun and educational way to learn about drones.